coral reefs in the Caribbean. One thing that makes Haiti special is it is home to deep water reefs. Not all countries around the world have habitats for deep water reefs. These reefs are difficult to explore, but scientists explore them by using advanced technology such as manned and unmanned submersibles. Oh look, here's the base word sub. Remember, sub means below. So if you're a submersible, you go below the water. These are submarines that dive into deep water. Also, scientists try to find out the age of reefs. Reefs vary in age from very young to thousands of years old. Scientists have found many types of coral in these cold water reefs. They have found that deep water corals are long-living, slow-growing, and fragile. So fragile means that it is very easily broken, so it's kind of like glass. Glass would be very fragile. Also found on Haitian reefs is black coral. This coral is only found at a few locations around the world. Because black coral is very valuable, and when something is valuable, it is very special, many people harvest it to use it for jewelry making. So now let's look at our word harvest. People harvest it. So if it's valuable, and many people harvest it to use for jewelry making, what do we think harvest can mean? Let's think about it. Haiti has a unique, which means a very special or different, dive site that consists of underwater wool covered in black coral. After diving this site, divers speak of the beauties and magnificence of the black coral. Another dive site found in the surrounding waters of Haiti is known as the Zombie Hole. This unique site is said to be home of the largest sea sponge in the world, called the elephant ear. So now it says, read the evidence. So this is all stuff from our text. Read the evidence from the text in the table below. So let's look at see what the first one says. One thing that makes Haiti special is that it is home to deep water reefs. Okay, let's look at number 2. This black coral is only found at a few locations around the world. And number 3, the unique site of the Zombie Hole is said to be home to the largest sea sponge in the world, called the elephant ear. This evidence supports which statement? So which of these goes with this? Haiti has coral reefs that are important to the ecosystem? No, we did not read anything about an ecosystem, so I know that one's wrong. The reefs at Haiti are dying at alarming rates. The article does not talk at all about the reefs dying. Haiti has many things about their reefs that are special. Well, I know that valuable and special are the same thing, so yeah, we did read about that. The reefs are home to many plants and animals. We did not read about them being home to any plants and animals. So Haiti has many things about their reefs that are special, yes. One thing that makes Haiti special is that it's home to deep water reefs. The black coral is only found at a few locations around the world. The unique site of the Zombie Hole is said to be home of the largest sea sponge. All of these tell how Haiti has many things about their reefs that are special. Now, what is another word for harvested that is used in the text? Mark all that apply. So when we see that, we know there is more than one right answer. Because black coral is very valuable, many people harvest it to use for jewelry making. So we know valuable means that you want to keep it safe. So you would gather it, that means take it. You wouldn't separate it. You would definitely collect it, and you would not burn it. So gather and collect are the two that tell me that it's important. So I would want to harvest it. Now we're going to do a bonus question. So I'm going to take this sentence right here. Another dive site found in the surrounding waters of Haiti is known as the Zombie Hole. I want you to now write a question. So write a question about this detail. Okay, and you can do this on the back.